Uh-huh. Y'all ain't ready for this.
Let's go.
Yeah. Listen. Check it. Let these bars give you an introduction. Tracy's sweet touch production when she touch it. Hey, baby, you gonna love it. And I'ma spit this verse and give you a summary of it. Jewelry so sparkling, she touched it. Craft so dope, she touched it. Case, Casey, cause she touched it. Abracadabra rest, oof. Estella fabulous. Make no mistake, craft arts and cakes. She creates and creates and shifts from the Great Lakes stage. Set a spark, contact her today. Passionately intrigued, our love is on this way. Hey, I know what it is.
Passionately intrigued.
That's right.
She's a sweet touch production.
Estella fabulous. Hey, let's go. Woo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right now.
Estella fabulous. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hey, hey, come on. Yeah, y'all ready? Yeah.
Whoa.
Hey,
Whoa.
she dope. Yeah. Ooh, sweet, sweet touch. Yeah.
Passionately triage, Tracy sweet touch production. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Y'all wasn't ready for this. Hey.
Da 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 da
Passionately
da.
intrigued arts. Yeah.
Hello all, I'm Tracy and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. Follow along today. I'm going to attempt to make a purse link chain for the tumblers. It's for decorative purposes only. I've selected pearls that I'd like to add on to a couple of my tumblers. Hold on and we'll get started. What I'm going to attempt to do is make a pearl chain link for the tumbler. You know, the new decoration purse tumbler. Although you don't use it as a purse, it's just decoration. So the average size of these are 7.9, so 7 to 8 inches. So I've cut a string at 8 inches so that I could measure in putting my beads down with these ring clasps so that I know that I'm within those boundaries, within the 8 inches. So that's about right. So I spread my beads out how I want them on the string, and what I'm using is a 1 millimeter thick elastic cord. And also, so I've started stringing the beads, but at the end I'm using, let me see if I can put that in the camera. It's a crimp end. So I've crimped the end to the elastic, to the end of the elastic. And these are the tiniest ones. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, let me get in the camera. That's what I used, and it doesn't look like it's focusing. So I put that on one end of the 1 millimeter elastic cord, and I'm just going to string the rest of these. If I can find the hole, it's big enough. There we go. 2 more. And I used a larger bead than medium beads. Medium, small, and small. So two small, 1 medium small, 2 medium, 1 large, and then I'm doing the same on the other side as I did on this side. So I've got 2 more small beads to place on the elastic. Okay, so now what I have to do is attach the other crimp end to this end. And these are so tiny and hard, difficult for me to handle. But they have a tiny little hole on each end where I can put a O-ring at the end. So I'm just going to place this elastic inside of here, inside of the end piece, the crimp end, and take my pliers and smash it down onto the elastic. To close it. Now I want to make sure that the crimp end is pushed up against these beads, and then just smash it closed with your pliers, making sure to tighten it all the way up and down. That's on there pretty good. So what I'll do is cut this elastic piece off at the end. So now I'll find 2 O-rings to place on here so that I can attach the pearls to these spring clamps. Let me find the right size O-rings. I decided to use 6mm, not these, 6mm O-rings, what else do they call these? Jump rings. And so I've added 1 to each end, and then I will place the clamp, the attachment clamp, the O clamp. I'm not sure what these are called, but I will label them, I will list them in my description. Attach this, I gotta make that a little bit bigger. Close it back up. And there's one end. Now I'll do the same for the other side. Let me open up this jump ring. I can find the opening and attach this second clamp. C clamp, not C clamp, spring clamp, O clamp. Close that up. Nope, I didn't close that very good. I'm gonna have to use my pliers to get that shut. And you want to make sure you close it tight because it will come right off of that end clamp. It will slip right through here. I hope that's good. So there we have it. I've got a pearl purse chain link to add to the tumblers that I made myself. What do you think? I think it's pretty. It gives me lots of ideals of the different things, the different types of beads or hardware that I can use to make these. I just wanted to show you that it measures just a little over 8 inches, about 8.25 inches. So I'm hoping that's just not too long, but we'll see when I do the video on attaching this to a tumbler. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you to all my subscribers. I'm almost at 500. I'm really close. I appreciate you. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting on. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment. Check out some of my videos. There's many of them, and there may be something that draws your interest. I would appreciate it. Have a good day. Peace and love, and we'll see you next time. Oh, saying see you next time, hit that notification bell. If you hit the notification bell, then you will be aware of each video that I upload to YouTube. Thanks again.